How to fix YouTube not showing full screen problem. So if your YouTube is not showing full screen, then what you need to do is first open up your YouTube application. Once you open up your YouTube, now you need to simply play a video. So for example, I'll be choosing a video. Once you choose the video, now you just need to simply go with the bottom right side of that video, which has that square shaped icon. Tap on square shape and it will have the full screen. But if you don't get this option, or if you don't have the square shaped option, then what you need to do is simply swipe two fingers from the top of your screen, and then here you will get the options. You just need to simply swipe and find the landscape mode or auto rotate mode. You may have landscape or auto rotate. Simply tap on that option. Once you tap on it, you just need to simply go back, and if you play the video again, now you just need to simply tilt your device. Once you've tilted, it will automatically take you to the landscape mode. So that's how you can fix YouTube not showing full screen problem. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.